We started by cutting the cheesecloths into the desired length. I cut mine 6.5 feet long, and we just repeated this process until we were done cutting all of the cheesecloth. I then proceeded to fill a huge bin filled with water. I started off with 3 gallons. I do recommend using hot water so that the results are better. These are the dyes that I used. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. You can go onto the Red website to get the color swatch and the exact colors that you are going to need. I will link that below. Once I had my bin full of water ready, I added 2 tablespoons of the evening blue, 1 tablespoon of the aquamarine, and 1 tablespoon of the denim blue. I started off with a small batch of water first to do a trial run. I used a leftover piece of cheesecloth, let it soak for about 3 minutes, rinse it out, dried it to make sure it was going to be the desired color. In the end, I did end up adding more of the evening blue, probably about 1 or 2 tablespoons more. And then from there I doubled the amount, so doubled the water, doubled the dye, and then added in all of the cheesecloths. I do also recommend that you use gloves when doing this because my hands got dyed in the process. Luckily, it did just come off with soap and water. Make sure that you submerge them all evenly, mix as much as you can so that each strand of cheesecloth gets the same amount of dye. Again, I let them soak for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I wrung them all, I rinsed them, and then we hung them to dry. We did a makeshift hanging line, and I do recommend that you open them up as you hang them so that it all dries evenly. They will be somewhat wrinkly once they have dried, but if you'd like, you can iron them. I left them as is. Here is the final product. I did do multiple batches of dye, so that's why there's a slight difference in shade. That is the color match swatch that I was going for, and I think we achieved it pretty well. And then this is how it looked on my wedding day. I absolutely love the outcome. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in the next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Adios!